Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing 9112 Napoli Court, Unit 201. This is a Verona floor plan, part of the coach homes here at Treviso Bay, which come inclusive of a golf membership to TPC Treviso Bay. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,100 square foot coach home. And as we come inside, these owners here have repainted the unit. They've also added wooden stairs. There used to be carpet here. Now downstairs you've got a nice storage space underneath the stairs here. It wraps around nicely in the back. And then you've got your garage entry here, and it's a 3-car tandem garage, so you can fit 2 cars on the left, 1 car on the right there. You also have a utility sink in there. Now coming up the stairwell, we're going to walk right into the great room area. So nice size great room here. And we're going to start directly off to our left where all your guest bedrooms are and your laundry space and your guest bath. So here's your guest bath here with the single sink and the combination tub and shower. Directly across is your laundry space. And these owners have added some additional cabinetry above the washer and dryer there. Then you've got the 2 guest bedrooms. Really nice size guest bedrooms. These are, there's a king size bed here. And you also have the walk-in closet here as well. And directly across you have your second guest bedroom here, again with a king size bed. Nice size windows, lots of light in this coach home here. And then you have your walk-in style closet for this bedroom as well. Now walking back out into the living space, before we get there actually, there is a door here so you can close off the guest bedroom space. Give yourself a little privacy while you're back there. All right, so here in the great room area, you've got a nice sized dining room. And there's also a little storage space here, which these owners have added a little mini fridge into. Now directly on the other side of the kitchen here, you have your eat-in kitchen space here with a little 4-top table overlooking your views. Then you have your kitchen here. Full appliance package included. And that'll take us into the master bedroom here. Again, huge master, king-size suite. Overlooking your lake views here, nice long lake view from your master. You do have sliding glass doors directly behind the vertiglides right there, leading out to your lanai space. Really nice size closet space here. So you have the his and hers. Really nice allocation of closet space. Then you have your your master bathroom here with the dual sinks, the standalone shower, as well as your soaking tub. And then you have the private commode room here as well. Oh, last but not least on this unit is the lanai space and the views. Really nice size lanai. And this particular lanai has a really nice lake view, long lake view leading that leads towards the front of the community there. All right, guys, so this is 9112 Napoli Court. If you're interested in this unit, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property. We thank you for watching.